This is the Arrowhead Brass PK2014LK or loose key stem assembly for the 420 series faucets. Now if we get it out here, you'll see the package will come, of course, with the complete stem. Now this is the PK2014, so it will be for a 14-inch wall thickness. The package will also come with a short little list of instructions here. Set that to the side. Now if we take a couple measurements of this stem, you do want to keep in mind when measuring these stems, especially these with the springless check assembly on the end, you want to make sure that that piece is pressed into that stem body. Go ahead and make sure that's pressed all the way in. We'll get a measurement of the complete stem. So it's kind of hard to see. You can see it measures right at 18 inches, so right at the end of this ruler I have here. We'll also go ahead and measure the loose key part as well. You can see it measures right above 1.5 inches. It's right at about 1 3/4 inches. So once again, this is the Arrowhead Brass PK2014LK or loose key stem assembly.